Hello and welcome to this amazing tutorial on InvokeAI Colab notebook. This notebook is based on the version 3.6.2. Using this notebook is super easy, just run each cell and you're ready to use InvokeAI on Colab's GPU. So, let's dive into the video. I'll speed it up to save your time. First, start the GPU runtime. Once you see T4, it means that GPU runtime has started. If you don't see this T4, it means your runtime type is CPU. To change it, click Runtime, then click Change Runtime, and click on T4 GPU, then click Save. My runtime is already GPU, so I will cancel it. Next, run this cell to connect your Google Drive to Colab Notebook. If you don't have enough storage in your Google Drive, you can skip this step and proceed to step 2 to install InvokeAI in the Colab's provided storage. But beware, once the runtime is disconnected, all your data will be lost. So, you should download your important files. Now, let's install the InvokeAI repository. You don't have to create a separate folder for InvokeAI as it will automatically create the folder and clone the InvokeAI repository. Now, this step is very important. You'll need to install the required dependencies each time you run the notebook. It will take about nearly 8 to 10 minutes to download and install the required packages and dependencies. So don't worry about it and just relax. Next, run this cell to download the models for your InvokeAI. By default it will download the stable Diffusion model version 1.5 only. If you prefer to download other models such as SDXL or ControlNet models or other different stable Diffusion models, click this file link. To download and install the model, change the recommended false to true. Don't forget to save it by pressing Ctrl+S on your keyboard. I will not do that for the sake of keeping this tutorial short. So, I will only download the stable Diffusion model version 1.5, which will take about 3 minutes to download. Please note if you wish to download multiple models, it will take more time depending upon the model size and your internet speed. Also, run this cell only once if you are installing the InvokeAI for the first time. If you encounter the attribute error mentioned here, don't worry. Open your Google Drive, go to your InvokeAI folder, and delete the GUI folder. Run the cell again and you are good to go. You can also download custom models from Google Drive or civitai.com. Suppose you want to download models from civitai.com, simply go to the website, open the desired model, copy the link, assign the model name, and paste the URL, and run the cell. It will install the model in the respective folder. You don't have to specify the model extension with the name. It will automatically add it and save it in the drive. You can also download your custom CKPT models such as dreambooth model present in your Google Drive. Simply copy the model's link, assign the name, paste the link, and run the cell to download it. In case if you encounter any problem while downloading custom models, you can use the model manager inside the InvokeAI, which I'll show you later in this video. Now, let's talk about where the images will be stored in your drive. They'll be stored in the Outputs folder created in the GUI folder. Please note if you didn't mounted the drive but installed InvokeAI in Colab storage, download this Outputs folder before closing the notebook to avoid losing images created in that session. Let's run this cell. It can take a few moments, so don't worry. The link ending with .moe will take you to the InvokeAI web UI. Open this link only when you see this URL. Otherwise, it won't open. Here we go, our latest InvokeAI web UI. What a beautiful and stylish UI. Let's explore the UI while it setups things. You can find LoRa's under this Concepts tab. Also, if you have installed ControlNet and adapter models, they will show here. Now let's explore the model manager I mentioned earlier. Click the Import Models tab, paste the model link and click Add Model. It will download the model. You'll see the model's name here. Let's create a picture of a cute cat in painting style. Click Invoke, and for the first image it will take a few moments to set up before creating the image. There it is, our cute cat image created from a simple prompt and default settings. You can find the link to this Colab notebook in the video description. Open the Patreon page and find the link to Colab notebook. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you face any issues, please comment and I'll try to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.